What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We have a new update rolling out for OnePlus 8 series, which includes OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and OnePlus 8T. And this time the update is for the stable channel. For OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, it's OxygenOS 11.0.5.5 and for OnePlus 8T, it's OxygenOS 11.0.8.12 with similar changelogs. Currently, update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. But I'll try to provide all the download links in the description below. You can download those files and install latest build of OxygenOS on your OnePlus 8 series. I've also updated my device manually. First, you need to download the file and place it inside the internal storage. Once you're done with that, you just need to go to Settings, System Update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select Local Upgrade, and you'll be able to choose File. And if you guys can wait for a day or two, you can update your device after my complete review. And also guys, sorry for the delay of OnePlus 7 series review as we had lots of questions for the same. So OnePlus 7 review will be coming tomorrow. I've already updated my device. Let me show you the software information first. And this is my OnePlus 8 where you can see build number says OxygenOS 11.0.5.5 and Android version is 11, and now we have 1st March 2021 security patch. And this update doesn't bring any new features. It brings lots of fixes related to system, camera and clock. Talking about the benchmark results, with Geekbench application, single core had scored 831 and multi-core had scored 3118. Due to some issues, I wasn't able to run test of AnTuTu benchmark application, but I'll try to fix that and will cover it in a review video. First change what they have done related to system is now they have moved this emergency option at the bottom of the keypad on your lock screen. Initially, it was on the top side. After that, they have improved the navigation gesture sensitivity while charging the device. I personally never faced any kind of issues like that on the previous stable builds, but if you guys have faced, then do let me know in the comment section below. Then they have done few fixes related to this splash screen information service may stop working, and these are the splash screen information services. And on the previous update, I personally used to face issues related to the expanded screenshot, and with this update OnePlus says that it has been fixed, and yes, I personally tried, and now I don't have any kind of issues related to expanded screenshots. Then few fixes have been done related to the screen recording, which we'll be covering in our gaming video or in our complete review video. And lots of users still face issues with double tap to wake. And if you guys update your device, do let me know in the comment section below whether double tap to wake has been fixed or not. For me, it's been working fine on this build. And another issue what OnePlus have taken care with this update is related to the Google Assistant. Does not use to wake up on the lock screen using the Google Assistant icon. And here you can see we don't have any kind of issues. And the last issue what OnePlus have fixed under system is related to the home screen time is displayed abnormally when the system language is Arabic. So if any of you guys use Arabic language on your OnePlus 8 series, let me know in the comment section below whether it has been fixed or not. Next changelog is related to camera, in which they have fixed the lagging issue when playing videos recorded in 4K with 60 FPS. But if you talk about the camera app version, this was a screenshot taken on the previous update, in which version was 5.8.23, and if you talk about after updating the device, we have the same app version which is 5.8.23. So there are no major changes done. They have done few fixes related to video recorded in 4K at 60 FPS. And here we have the video recorded in 4K resolution with 60 FPS. I don't see any kind of lags. And the last fix is related to the clock, in which they have done few fixes related to alarm. I personally never faced any kind of issues related to alarm. If you guys have faced, then do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, this was all about the latest stable update for OnePlus 8 series. Whatever issues you guys have been facing, do let me know in the comment section below. We'll cover them in a review video. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.